Finally, we have this cardigan. This one is huge for me, but I'm gonna try it on and we can take a look together. The fabric, just like the crop top, if you check out video 2, is really thick. I'm gonna try on the Bermuda pants as well, just not because I want them, just to see how they look and to be able to show all of you. The colors on this are really cool. Some of you commented that at my age, I'm not too old to wear the crop top, but that I needed the cardigan. So we'll see how it looks. And then here is a really cool black blouse. I like this design here. The kind of opaque black, matte black amongst the shiny. So this video will have more than just these 2 pieces in it, but this is a good start. So welcome to video 6 of 23P. Here is a black striped top. I actually really like this. My 12-year-old does not. She thinks it looks like a cow. I think it looks pretty cool. So I'll just get it a little closer here and you can see the button detail and also the CCs among the stripes. But I think it looks good. All right, so here's the whole outfit minus the crop top, which you can see in video 2. These are a 34 Bermuda short. I'm only doing this for all of you wonderful subscribers. That's it. I would not be able to do this otherwise. So this is how they look. And I don't even know what to say. I guess all of my Pop-Tarts I've been eating have definitely ended up on my behind. But yeah, this is extremely unflattering in my opinion. Now, the shrug on another, well, okay, sweater. I'm calling it a shrug, it's so oversized. I think will be really cute when it's in the right size. The fabric's just really heavy, so I mean like carpal tunnel heavy if you're holding it around the store. So I think the shrug could be really cool when it's sized down and great with that little crop top that I have. But these shorts, oh my God. So really quick video, that's all I have. I'll see you next time on video 6.